Okay, these chickens were born on the 31st of January. It's the 6th, so they're about 6 days old. Let's see what they look like. Here you can see them. Oh, hey guys, slow down, slow down. There's nothing much going on here. Let's check it out. What's everybody doing? Huh? What are you doing, bud? There's everybody over there by the feed. Let's sort of spook out a little bit and see what everybody's doing. I'll do a little bit of a can here in the mask. So it looks like that frog. What are you guys doing, huh? You gonna come visit, say hi? These are Willie's birds. There's 19 chickens. All kinds of mixes. There's the light, pretty bright. There's the food and water. There's everybody running around. Where's old Jessica's? There's Jessica's. Let's bring out. There's Jessica's. Let's come over here, bud. There we go. How you doing? How you doing? How's everybody doing? There's Jessica's right there. Well, not you. Right here. That one in the back, they're sort of copper colored. Move out of the way. That one there. Now you can see Jessica. See, she's all copper colored. The real pretty one. How you doing? Right there. Look into the lens. Pretty cool looking birdies. All gonna go hide. Everybody's hiding. Okay. Where's the brooder cam for tonight?